I have recreated some dance videos with AI. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's watch them first.
I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again.
There are so many amazing tools to animate images or characters with AI. You can now create high-quality videos with just a few simple prompts. Just look at the quality and details. You can convert a simple image into an amazing animated video. You can even recreate any movie clip with your own image. And the best part? You can create such high-quality animated movies without any professional skills. You're gonna learn everything in this video, because today I'm gonna share some of the best free and paid AI animation tools to help you create whatever you want. So, let's get started. The first AI tool I want to share with you today is Huo AI. This is one of the best text-to-video models available right now. I don't want to compare it with OpenAI's Sora because it's very expensive and not everyone can afford it. Honestly, I haven't even used it yet, so I won't talk about Sora in this video. With Huo AI, you'll get 1100 credits for free when you create a new account, and an additional 100 credits every day for free, which is enough for most of you to test the tools. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them. Let's check out a couple of videos from their homepage. Look at this cat video. Prompt used, cat takes off his green goggles. It's done a fantastic job. There are no glitches. Here's another video. Prompt, a young couple share a gentle kiss, eyes closed, as the man wraps his arms around her waist and she holds his face softly. And this is the original image. It's mind-blowing. This guy doing magic. His hand stays really consistent. And this green monster. It's incredible. It's amazing how far video generators have come. Most of this was unthinkable even a year ago. Now let's generate some videos. Here we have two options, image to video and text to video. To use the image to video tool, we first need to upload an image. I'm going to use this one, which I generated using Midjourney. Here's the prompt I used on Midjourney. A man walking confidently on a narrow jungle road with a majestic lion walking beside him as his loyal assistant, surrounded by dense greenery and sunlight filtering through the canopy. The man is dressed in casual outdoor attire, carrying a backpack, and the lion exudes power and calmness. The atmosphere is serene yet adventurous, with vibrant natural details and a slightly cinematic mood. I also added this part, --AR 16:9. AR means aspect ratio, so let's upload it. In this box, I'm going to use the same prompt. If you enable the auto edit option, your prompts will automatically refine into more detailed descriptions to enhance generation quality. You can also disable this feature for more specific prompts. I'll leave it on for this one, and now hit generate. Here's the result. It's a 6-second video. I didn't expect such a great result on the first attempt. Now let's test the text-to-video tool. Here, we only need to describe what we want. I'm going to use the same prompt I used on Midjourney, a man walking confidently on a narrow jungle road, and click here. It will take some time. By the way, if you want access to my premium AI film resources for free, make sure to join my Discord server. The link is in my bio. Here's the result. Look at this. It's a very good result. The only issue is that the man's face is slightly blurred, but aside from that, everything is fantastic. The nature, jungle, and trees look absolutely stunning. The next AI animation tool I'm going to talk about is Lensgo. This is one of my favorite AI tools. Like other AI animation tools, it allows you to generate images and videos from simple text prompts. But what makes me love this tool is its video style transfer feature. With this, you can convert a normal video into a Pixar or anime style video. Here's a sample. This is the original video I downloaded from YouTube. And then I made different versions using Lensgo. If you check their homepage, you'll find some masterpieces made with Lensgo. I highly recommend watching these films to get some inspiration. Let's watch this. I'm not showing the entire video due to copyright issues, but you can find it on their homepage. Let's see what we can do with this video.
It's not about us. You know it's not about
First, I'm going to select this option called Video Style Transfer, and you will land on this page. Here you will find all the settings. First, you need to upload your sample video by clicking here. I am going to upload this one. Next, click here to select the video style. This is the most important part. For example, I'm going to select Ghibli for anime style results. You can choose any of these styles you want. Then, in the prompt box, you need to write something about the characters or objects for better results. I'm typing girls dancing. You can write more detailed prompts for better quality. Now click here. As you can see, it started generating. This process will take some time. We can run multiple tasks at once. So without wasting time, I'm going to generate another video in a different style. This time, I'm selecting the Pixar style. And now, I'll hit generate. Let's check the first video.
It's not about
Wow, this is mind-blowing. Now, let's see the Pixar style video. This is also really good. It's like 3D. But honestly, I like the first video more. It's just amazing. Lensgo also has other features like text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-video, and more. You can check everything for free. They give you 50 credits per day for free. So make sure to use this tool and post your video on my Discord community. The next AI animation tool I want to talk about is Pixe. I already made a detailed video about this tool on my channel a few months ago, which got a great response. This is also a very advanced AI animation tool. Let's check out some examples. Look at this video. Prompt: they used electric fish attacking snake. Here's another example. Prompt: a smiling bear playing the ukulele. Pixar-style animation. The animation isn't perfect, but it's done a really good job. Check this carrot dancing animation video. It's so funny. It's a 9-second video, and while there are some imperfections, the 9-second consistency is impressive. Let's generate something. First, I want to test their image-to-video tool. I'm going to upload the same image we used previously. We also need to write something in this box. I'll use the same prompt. A man walking confidently on a narrow jungle road with a majestic lion walking beside him. And click here. Just look at the result. It's very good. I'll use the same image with the other tools as well, and at the end, I'll share which one generated the best result. Next, let's delete this image and only use the prompt to test their text-to-video feature. It's very fast. Here's the result. This time, we didn't use any reference, but the result is still very similar. We can make it even better by upscaling it to 4K. The next AI animation tool I want to share with you today is Huo AI. This is a more advanced text-to-video tool compared to the previous ones. Let's check out a couple of examples. Look at this gorilla. It's very impressive, like a movie scene. The prompt used a dynamic motion of a massive gorilla humanoid creature pounding his pectoral muscles. Here's another example. A cinematic shot of a futuristic sports car racing through a neon-lit city street at night. And one more. This is another example of what you can create with Huo AI. You can even make full AI movies using this tool. If you search on YouTube, you'll find some great AI movies, and people love watching them. Let's try it ourselves. First, I'm going to test the image-to-video tool, and then I'll use their text-to-video feature. Let's upload our image. In the prompt box, I'll use the same prompt. A man walking confidently on a narrow jungle road with a majestic lion walking beside him. You can play with the settings, but I'll just click Generate. Since I'm using the free plan, it will take a while. To save time, let's move on to the text-to-video feature. Here, we just need to paste the prompt. Let's hit Generate. Here's the result. This is the video generated from the uploaded image. This is the video generated directly from the text prompt. The quality isn't great, and it takes a long time because I am using the free plan. If you're planning to use the free version, I don't recommend Huo AI as it takes too much time. However, if you're willing to buy their premium plan, this tool is for you. With the premium plan, you can get much better results. The next AI tool I want to share with you is Luma Labs. This is also one of the best text-to-video tools available right now. Let's check out some examples. Look at this video. Prompt: a fisheye lens selfie photo taken by a statue. This video went viral across all social media platforms. Here's another example. It's a very advanced AI tool. Everything looks incredibly real. Of course, AI still isn't perfect. You might need to try multiple times to get the exact 5-second video you want. For a 10-second perfect video, you may need to spend days refining it. Let's generate something. In this box, I'm using the same prompt. A man walking confidently on a narrow jungle road with a majestic lion walking beside him. Now, click here. It only takes a few seconds to generate the result, even though I'm using the free plan, which gave me around 400 credits for free. Here is the result. This isn't a video, it's an image. However, the quality is not bad, almost like Mid-Journey. To convert it into a video, click here and type your prompt. For instance, I'm using the same prompt again. Now click Generate. As you can see, the tool generated 2 videos and it only took a few seconds. I highly recommend testing this tool for free. First video. The quality is good, but the lion isn't moving. Second video. This one is actually quite good. Luma Labs also has some amazing features. I'll create a detailed tutorial video about this, so make sure to subscribe for updates. If you want to start an AI business in 2025, I highly recommend this video, because here I have explained the 5 most profitable AI businesses that anyone can start in 2025. Thanks for watching.